clinic slot opens at 9 in the morning. By 5, it's still empty. Not because nobody wanted it, but because nobody had time to make the call. The surprising part, hospitals don't actually have an appointment problem. They have a communication problem. Every single day, staff are racing against the waiting list that is bigger than the number of people available to call them. In England's public healthcare system alone, that waiting list crosses 7 million people. So team spends hours dialing numbers, voicemails waste appointment slots, busy lines delay care, missed calls become missed appointments, cancelled slot stays empty. The system is not broken. The volume is simply bigger than the humans can keep up with. So at Vacancy Technology, we were asked a very different question. Not can you build another chatbot, but can AI actually take over the phone calls? So that's what we built. An AI voice agent that calls real patients, speaks their language, books appointments, handles the cancellation, and works 24 hours a day. So building AI wasn't actually the hardest part, but engineering everything underneath was. And that's what this video is really about. So once you strip away all the AI buzzwords, this whole system comes down to 3 questions which it has to answer on every single call. Who do we call? How do we actually talk to them? And who's really in control? Answer those with engineering and not just with AI. And you've got yourself a product and not just a demo. First question, who do we call? Hospitals already know 2 things. Who's in waiting and which appointment slots are available. So we didn't create another database. We made our platform perfectly synchronized with theirs using the healthcare standards they already trust. Their schedule changes, our updates instantly. And that's the foundation everything else stands on. Second question, how do we actually talk to them? This is where AI earns its place, whether it is voice or text, whether the patient speaks English or other language. The AI offers available appointment slots, confirms bookings, reschedules cancellation, and sends reminders automatically. Even when patient calls back, same rules apply. Inbound and outbound conversation run on exactly same engine. So every interaction follows the same logic. Third question, who's actually in control? Now here the design decision matters the most. The rules engine sits completely separate from the AI conversation layer. It decides who gets called first, which appointment gets offered, what happens if someone declines, what happens if nobody answers. Every call, every message, every booking, every outcome flows back into the system with transcript and audit logs. Tomorrow's decision becomes smarter because today's outcomes were recorded. The AI handles the conversation and the engineering controls the outcome. And that's the mistake many teams make while building patient-facing AI. They obsess over the voice, but the voice is not intelligence. The loop is. The data comes in, decision happens in the middle, and the outcome goes back into the system. Get that loop right, and almost any AI sounds intelligent. Get it wrong, and even the smartest model sounds confused. And this is exactly the kind of healthcare engineering Vacancy Technology has been building for years. From patient portals and hospital dashboards to remote monitoring platforms, EHR integration, and now AI-powered patient communication system. If you are building something similar, we offer a 2-hour complete architecture review with our engineering team. Click below on link in description to book a call with us.